Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you like chip programming stuff, this is the channel to subscribe to. So I was able to come across some rare adapters right there. These are rare. I've already cleaned them up. They were really dusty and filthy whenever I got them. But these are for a System General Multi Apro. Okay, this is for old chip programming technology that, believe it or not, a lot of companies still use. But these are going to be for sale. They're not going to be for my chip programming operation, but this is what they look like. This is a TSOP 48-1. This is a PQFP 100. And I will list the website down in the description. Just keep checking it. I'll list them individually. If there's multiple, I'll have it where you can only buy as many as I have. But this is an EasyBGA 64-2. This isn't missing a socket. Some of these only came with one socket. This is some of them, the protective foam is coming off, the glue is, but a TQFP 44. Another EasyBGA 64-2. These are really good quality sockets. I've inspected these all. They all are in really good condition. Here's another TSOP 48-1. Or was that a 48? Yeah, it's 48-1. So these actually fetch a pretty good premium. Here is an FBGA 48. And they're in really good condition on the inside of the socket. So I don't think these were used very much. The gentleman that had them, he took care of his stuff. So here is a TSOP 40-2, and these have the slave, which usually gets the most use. It's removable. It's socketed. You can see the little seat there for it. Yeah, these were really awesome programmers back in the day. System General is still around. They mostly do automated stuff. Here's a PLCC 32-1. And also it's socketed too. See there? On the slave. So you'd put your master and you'd just copy them. So here is another TSOP 32 or a TSOP 32. They used real good quality sockets. System General was really good quality, and they're still really good quality. You can see the System General teardown of one of the programmers that I did. The build quality on it is phenomenal. VSOP 40-1. Again, socketed. Some of them looks like they got factory bodge wires. But PSOP 44. Yeah, before I throw these on eBay, I would like to try and sell them off of eBay. to increase the revenue, because most of the revenue of this stuff is going to the previous owner because he is out of the chip programming business. Here's another BGA 64-2, so that's what, 4 of those. And I might have some multi-Apros coming up in a month. Another TSOP 32-1. That's a TSOP 32 and a TSOP 32-1. There's probably something slightly different. I'm not sure what the difference is between them. But usually when they do a dash, there's something slightly different. Either it's got a different part, or a capacitor's different value or something to note the designation. A PSOP 44-2, and we got a PSOP 44-1. So let's see, this -2 looks like it's got an 8 megabit jumper, and that one don't. So, but these are rare as hen's teeth. You do not find these on eBay. Rarely, and if you do, they, like I said, they go for a pretty good sum. This TSOP 56-1. Another TSOP 56-1. Really good sockets. So if you have a multi-Apro, which a lot of people do, this is it. This PSOP 44-1, these are missing the slave sockets, but I believe the socket is still available. We have 2 of those. Yeah, hopefully this will help the guy out. Oh, and then a PSOP 44-3. So we've got, it looks like we've got the whole set of PSOPs. So I might let those go as a complete set instead of individually, because it would be wrong to separate the 1, 2, and 3. Because finding a whole complete set of these would be more difficult than finding an individual. So I think I'm just going to list those as a complete set. So this video might not, or I should say the listing might not appear if I do get a hold of some System General multi-Apros and the HSP adapter that you have to have with your multi-Apro. I've seen the HSP adapters pop up every now and then on the forums and on eBay, but you never see the adapters. And if you do, they're asking, like I said, a premium. So if you don't see the link below with a page where I have these listed for sale, you can comment or go to the About page and send me an email if you would like 1 or 2 or multiple, and message me an offer. I'm still doing my research to see what the pricing is going to be like on them. And I think I'm going to hold out until I get definitive answer if I get a couple multi-Apros, because I would like to sell, if I could separate, like, you know, make kits and sell one whole setup as a working complete setup, I would rather do that. I think it'll bring a little bit more revenue for the guy. Then these here are System General, but they're unidentified boards. I've tried looking up the numbers, and I have emailed System General photos to see what these go to. But they are definitely a System General. So, well, that was the Milti Apro HSP adapter haul. Thank you very much for watching, and like and subscribe if you like chip programming stuff.